Hi, this is Ryan. Welcome back to the All Glass Parts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a video on the 23 series Truth operators. Now, we did a video before about the 15 series operators, so I just want to show you the difference quickly here before I move on. The 15 series has this contoured body style, as this one has a bit, it's almost in the shape of a triangle here, so that's the difference between these two. This is what you're going to see on the inside of the building. Either this profile or this. So this is the 23 series, it comes with this profile. The 15 series comes with this. 15 series, we made another video and the link will come up here. You can go to that if that's indeed what you have. Okay, on to the 23 series. These are more of a commercial operator. They are mainly in schools, government buildings, etc. But they're actually quite common. So I'm going to teach you how to identify which one you have. First things first is the arm length. You measure it the same as all the single arm operators, where you go the end of the arm to the middle of the gear. Now this one is 9.5 inches. Again, end of the arm to the middle of the gear here. It's 9.5 inches. We also have it in 13.5, and there's another one in 7. They come in a couple different lengths on the site there. Next, I want to show you the end of the arm, because that is also very important. You'll see there's 3 different styles here. You got the nylon roller here, the pivot shoe here, and the steel wheel here. It's imperative that you get the right one, because they won't work in place of one another. They go with the different tracks and they're mounted a little differently, so just make sure you figure out which one you have and then go from there. Next is how the operator is mounted. As you can see, these two operators here, this is a front mount, so the holes, the operator is going to screw in from the inside, and it has the 4 screw holes here, whereas this one is a rear mount operator and the screw holes are in the back, so this will screw in from the outside of the window. So you also again have to be aware of that, because that is imperative you get the right one or else it will not work. Now there is one other operator here I wanted to show you. It is the split arm operator of this series. So this is a 23 series as well, but it does have a split arm, whereas this one has the straight arm. The split arm operator, we have a couple different ones, comes in 2 different lengths. So how to measure this one, you just measure the small arm from end to end. This one is 5 inch here, and definitely the most common by far. This one here, 9 inch. Much less common, but they are out there. So you have to measure, again, this arm. Finally, the handing. Now these operators are handed differently than the 15 series operators, because Truth defines the handing of these operators differently than the 15 series. These are a commercial one. The other one is primarily a residential one, so they define it the opposite of one another. So this operator right here, if you're standing on the inside of the building, this operator swings out to the right. So the operating leaf swings out to the right. You need a right hand. Again, you're on the inside of the building, hinges are on the right, the window leaf swings out to the right, you need a right hand. That is the opposite of the 15 series. Split arm operators, to make it even more confusing, is the opposite of this here. So this one, this will swing out to the right. This operator, the split arm, will swing out to the left, and then you need a right hand operator. So again, the split arm here, this will push the window out. The hinges on the inside of the building are on the left, so it'll swing out to the left like that, and you need a right hand. Again, just a couple points to go over. To summarize, you need to measure the arm, end to middle of the gear. You also need to see what's at the end of the arm. Also, front mount, rear mount. Also, it could be a split arm, and then from there you go to the handing. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.